Discover the new brilliance of restorative dentistry. A brilliance that sets new standards. Developed by Colteen to delight. Brilliant EverGlow, enduring beauty. The secret lies in the brilliant filler technology. On the one hand, this uses a smart mix of submicron barium glass fillers and pre-polymerized filler agglomerates identical in content to the resin matrix. On the other hand, the optimized surface treatment of the fillers increases the bonding strength within the resin matrix. All this leads to considerably higher scratch resistance and longer gloss retention. Brilliant EverGlow offers the proven duo shade system. Thanks to excellent optical self-blend properties, each composite shade covers 2 Vita shades. The clear shade range includes 7 universal shades for aesthetic single-shade restorations. Also available are 2 translucent enamel shades and 3 opaque masking shades. The smooth consistency of Brilliant EverGlow enables it to be easily worked into the cavity. Thanks to its very good wettability, it adheres superbly to the tooth without sticking to the instrument. It adapts itself very easily to the geometry of the cavities, but modeled cusps, ridges, and contact points remain intact. Immediately after insertion of the filling, the restoration displays an extraordinarily smooth surface with a satin shimmer. Nevertheless, it is the durability of the gloss that is crucial in achieving a long-lasting aesthetic restoration. Everyday chewing and cleaning the teeth often dull the surface of conventional composites, and the restoration needs to be polished again. Thanks to its submicron fillers, Brilliant EverGlow is different. Its very fine surface is significantly more resistant to abrasion, and it retains its initial gloss even after intensive chewing and abrasion stresses. Brilliant EverGlow, enduring beauty.